In front of me is TECNO Pop 7, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security. After that, scroll down again, click on Face Unlock, and enter your current login method. Then tap on Enroll Face. Wait couple of seconds and read all of those disclaimers and instructions. Then tap on Next at the bottom. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Over here, tap on the best option for you, and when you're ready, select Done. So when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!